Hi guys, I am Stephanie. So I made this great video for you earlier in the week to watch, and then YouTube never loaded it. So here is take two. So hopefully by now everyone has had a chance to review the syllabus, go through our Blackboard site and kind of figure out what we're going to be doing this semester. I wanted to highlight just a few key things to make sure that you are aware of. So our weeks in this class will run from Monday at noon to the following Monday at noon. Now, some students wonder, why do I pick noon instead of picking midnight? So I used to close my classes on Sunday at midnight. So this is actually an additional 12 hours. And the reason for that is I am not available on the weekends. And so if you had a question and you were working on the weekend, I might not be able to get back to you. However, I can get back to you on Monday morning. So it's actually to give you a little bit more time. So on Monday, the folder will open and you will see a list of what you are responsible to do that weekend. It's really important that you're checking into the weekly folder on Mondays. I like to equate it to if you we're in a live class and you didn't show up until 20 minutes or 30 minutes through the class, you're going to miss some important things at the beginning. And if you're waiting till Wednesday or Thursday to see what's in the folder, the same thing happens. You're going to miss some important things. Most of your deadlines will be the following Monday. However, there will be weeks that have some Thursday deadlines, so you want to make sure and check that. Each week in the folder, there will be the reading assignment, a PowerPoint to kind of help you go through that. And then there'll be some additional things. I might have a video in there, an external website, an external reading for you to do. Each week you'll complete a writing assignment, and each week you'll complete a quiz over the material. So that's kind of what a week to week will look like. I wanted to hit on some of the other things we're going to do this semester. Next week, so in week 2, I will start selecting a few students each week to be in charge of a current event. And so in the weekly folder, you'll see who is in charge. So on the week that you're picked for a current event, your job is to find a current event related to corrections. Now, it has to be related to corrections. If you pick something simply related to criminal justice, that's not going to work for this assignment. But you will, on the discussion board, you'll create a new thread, you will summarize your article, you'll post a link to the article, and then you'll pose a question for your classmates about this topic. The week that you're assigned, you are also in charge of kind of monitoring the discussion board and going back and responding to comments by your classmates. Okay, so every week, everyone will comment on the current events, and then 1 week out of the semester you'll be in charge of running the discussion board. Some of the other big assignments that we have this semester, about mid-semester, so it's due October 22nd, is what we call a state assignment. Each of you are going to select a state and then research that state's corrections department. So you will take a look at what does their prison system look like, their community corrections, what types of crimes are people incarcerated for, what's the racial breakdown of inmates in their prison system, do they have a death penalty, how many people are on death row, and you're going to put together a presentation about that, and then we'll spend that week looking at all of the different states. Towards the end of the semester, you will be doing another project where you focus solely on Idaho's correctional system, and you'll write a paper summarizing what Idaho's system looks like and then making recommendations for change. So some of the assignments that you'll see as we go throughout the semester, I will be having you look at statistics or things regarding Idaho. That's to kind of help prep you for that final assignment. Okay. Those are the main kind of things we'll be doing this semester. You probably noticed in the Our Classroom folder, there's an assignment called the Shawshank Redemption Extra Credit Assignment. So this is our shared intellectual experience in the criminal justice program this semester. So some of you who have taken CRIJ classes previously, this is the 5th semester in a row we've done this, excluding summers. But we pick a movie or a book or a podcast, and ask all of the criminal justice courses to participate in it. So I'm really excited that the Shawshank Redemption is what we're doing this semester, because this totally ties into corrections and prisons. So there, in Blackboard, you'll find the information. The library has a physical DVD copy. The library also has a streaming copy, and I've put the link to that there so you can like watch it at home in your pajamas if you want. We also have 2 dates that will be showing the film on campus. So if you'd like to come in and join us for that, that will be a lot of fun. And then there is a paper that you can write, and this will give you 15 points of extra credit, which is a lot of extra credit. The other great thing is if you have another criminal justice course this semester, you can submit the same paper to both courses for extra credit. Okay, we also have what has been our criminal justice club. This semester we're calling it our Criminal Justice Career Hour, but every Thursday from 1 to 2 p.m. at the Canyon County Center in room 230, we will meet and have different guest speakers come in and talk about the criminal justice system. So it's not something that you have to sign up for or commit to being there every week. You can attend when you want, which speakers you want. Tomorrow, Thursday, will be our first meeting, and we'll be putting together a list of what types of topics and careers you guys would like to learn about this semester. So if you can attend, it would be great to see you there. Sometimes students in online classes kind of miss that connection with the classmates or the faculty, so it's a great way to kind of have that. If you can't be there tomorrow but want to be involved later on and you have some ideas of guest speakers or topics that you'd like to learn about, shoot me an email with those and we'll get them on the list. Okay, again, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to email me. It's said in the syllabus, but just a couple of tips regarding email. When you do email me, please in the subject line put CRIJ 104. You guys are my only section of 104 this semester, so you don't need to worry about the section number. But that helps me to be able to get you a response quicker, especially in the beginning of the semester. A student might email and say, I don't understand this week's assignment, and I'm thinking, I don't even know what class you're in yet, so that helps me. Also, make sure you're emailing me from your CWI student account, then I am assured that it is you that I'm talking to. If Derek emails me from his personal account and it says hotguy@gmail.com, I don't really know it's him when he's asking me about his grade. Okay. Stop in my office anytime. On Wednesdays, I am at the APIN campus, the Pintel Center. If anyone is around here, I am having office hours in 1113 is the office that I'm using on Wednesday mornings. So feel free to stop in. Otherwise, you can find me at the Canyon County Center in room 125. Okay, here is to a great semester, guys. Thanks.